Hey, so today we want to do the review of this Tecno Spark Go 2021 edition, and this one get 5000 mAh battery, and in many ways it is very similar to the Spark 7 and 7P variants when it be say Tecno later release. Tecno released this phone on July 7th 2021, which is this year, and just one thing, help me check in case if you never subscribe to this channel, make you hit that subscribe button and also click on the notification too. Make sure say you help us like this video and share am. Just like the Spark 7, the packaging box of the phone come with yellow and blue design. The box small like the Spark 7 own, but the 7P dey bigger. The link to the Spark 7 and the 7P unboxing and review and camera test dey the description of this video, so take your time check am. Inside the carton, the first thing when you go see na the phone. For the quick specification when they write for inside the phone, you get 13 megapixel dual camera, 5000 mAh battery, 16.52 dot notch display, and stylish slim design. The truth be say, when I look the phone, it not really dey slim as they write for here say dey stylish and it dey slim. Well, we go soon see the body of the phone very soon. The next thing for the carton na the pouch. E dey transparent. Usually every Tecno Android phone dey come with this pouch, so this will not be something new. Next, inside the box you go see the charger. Definitely this charger no be fast charger. Okay, then the USB charging cable, USB 2.0. I no dey surprised. My choice actually na the USB Type-C charging cable, but na USB 2.0 cable na follow the phone come. Then the earpiece. This earpiece dey normal to me, still old design, and the finishing not shine my eyes at all. The last thing inside the box na where the SIM injector. Okay, e get the area when they shook and put for here, but e not dey inside. Abi Tecno make mistake where they put am. If you ask me, na who I go ask? Actually, the phone no need the pin, so Tecno no make mistake. Relax, I go talk about am in a minute. The body of the phone na plastic all round. The screen for the front carry the camera on top, and the earpiece place dey on top the camera. The left side of the phone dey empty. Actually, for the Spark 7 and 7P, na this left side the SIM tray suppose dey. But this phone no dey use that type of SIM placement. Na it make SIM injector no come with the phone. The top of the phone dey empty too. The right side of the phone gets the volume button with the power button. For the bottom, you go notice the headset jack, microphone hole, and the charging port. The speaker hole no dey here. The back carry two 13 megapixel cameras, the flashlight, fingerprint sensor, and the speaker for the downside. Well, nowadays Tecno phones hardly get speakers for back. Usually na bottom of the phone na dem dey put am. As for the SIM card and the memory card, you go need to remove the first back cover of the phone first before you go fit insert and remove them. I don turn the phone on. E dey boot, I set am up, e dey load, and finally, voila! To dey fair, the phone no too fast like other phones when I operate for the first time. Although you fit no notice am, but e dey delay. For the quick settings, e no get peak proof, nearby share, or even the theft alert. Well, for the main settings, the phone dey run on Android 10 and no be Android 11. Seriously, Tecno dey take us back? Well, one possible reason wey make this phone dey on Android 10 and no be Android 11, just like the Spark 7 and 7P, na because Tecno first released this Go edition before they come later to release the 7 and the 7P. At the time when Tecno take dey design this phone, they never ready to produce Android 11 phones. And then later, the following month, when they release the 7 and the 7P, perhaps they don't dey ready for Android 11. That make this phone dey run on Android 10 and not on Android 11 like the 7 and the 7P. The HiOS version 2 na 6.2 against the Spark 7 and 7P when the 7.6. The phone small, you fit almost operate am with one hand. But sometimes you go still need the one hand mode when dey the quick settings. As for the network, e dey use 4G. The CPU na quad core, e get 2 GB RAM with 32 GB ROM. Im security na the normal ones when dey come with Android 10, and dem include face unlock, fingerprint, pattern lock, and password lock. E get FM, but you need to plug the earpiece for am to work. The following month after they release this phone, when they release the Spark 7 and 7P, these two phones actually no need earpiece for their FMs to work. And I mentioned am for the review of the Spark 7. The phone come with this music app, when fit allow many phones to connect and play the same song at the same time. Once you open the app, you go see the option to create connection so that other phones go fit join and play the same song when your phone dey play. And the options to join, and the option to join connection when fit allow you to join music when another phone dey play at the same time. The camera dey better for taking shots, both the back and the front cameras. If you want video with am, you go need to dey close to your object. Actually, object na be the thing when e be say you want video. The reason na because the camera no dey zoom too far. The zooming scale na just up to ×4, when most phones get up to ×10 zooming scales. Make we see some of the pictures when the camera take. End note. Actually, I will call this Spark Go 2021 edition a special edition, but this special edition na in a backward way. The first problem when I get with the phone na the place when e be say they put the SIM card. Every time when e be say you wan put or remove SIM card or memory card, e mean say you need to pull the back cover out. And if it break as you dey try remove am, and think of the inconvenience too. I think Tecno for think about that one. Another problem is say e no dey run fast reach wetin I expect from 2021 phone. Tecno for fit work on this area too. And the fact say e dey run on Android 10, e just make am add to the list of the problems when e be say I get with this phone. The only thing when I like about this phone be say e dey small and you fit operate am with one hand. And as for me, I dey actually like phones when e be say you fit use one hand take operate. But if you ask me for my overall rating of this phone, the truth is I go tell you say e dey very low. The price of the phone na 46,000 naira, and e dey very available for market. If you need am and you need assistance, we fit get am for you. Actually, we get am available for our store. So I go match break for here, but before we finally go, I wan tell you say make you remember to like this video, subscribe to am, and help us to share am, so that we fit bring you more videos of phone unboxing and review in the future. So subscribe now.